Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this eyeshadow look, and it really isn't that difficult, so let's hop right into it. The tape is on. I look crazy, I know. And what we're going to use is just like a little eyeshadow brush. We're using the Melt Cosmetics, the water palette, and I am going to go in with Dead Inside right here. We're just going to do like kind of the eyeliner ish area like that and bring it out, and anything we messed up we can fix at the end. Lovely. And next we're going to go in with Moody, the teal one with the sparkles. We're going to go right over top of that and kind of blend it out and down and bring it over like that. Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to fix up this one for being straight, but that's okay. We can do that, no problem. And next what we're going to do is we're going to come in with the Manipulative, this one right here. Go just like that and right here. And we're going to bring it up. And what we're going to do, we're going to take this off now. So it's not too bad. We just have to fix it up just a smidgen bit. So that's not bad, especially for the tape not cooperating. All right, so let me look in the mirror because we're almost done. Just a little bit more under here. They both look almost exactly the same. The only last thing I have to do is get a fluffy brush and go in with Secretive. We're just gonna go like this. Just kind of almost like a sand here. And last but not least, we're going to take this angled brush and we're going to go back in on the Dead Inside. And I'm going to fix up this eyeliner right here. So let me do that. Perfect. All right, so now we're going to get into the gems. And it's not even difficult. All you're going to need is some eyelash glue. So I'm just using my Sephora clear eyelash glue, and I have some gems from Sephora, and we're going to put them on. So let's get right into it. So I'm getting the last two on here, and as you can see, like matching it up can be a little bit difficult, but I'm trying my best to like make it like the same on each side. So here we go. Lovely. So the black gems are done, and now we have to get the rest of the gems done. Yay. So the inside gem is like this beautiful translucent one. So sorry, I have to use this mirror because I have a hard time with this angle to see the glue. There we go. There we go. And we're putting on these ones. Oh my gosh, I almost grabbed the wrong color. I would have cried. Just one sec. Alright, and now we're going in with the teal gems. Cannot wait to show my husband this. He is going to be pretty excited. This is one of the ideas for like my birthday makeup, and he said that it should be like an under the sea kind of theme, just because like our whole relationship, like we've gotten fish together, we were always like near the water and stuff, and we've had a lot of fun with that. So I'm gonna go put on some mascara and I will show you the finished look. So this is the final look. I really enjoyed this. This might be my birthday look, it might not. But I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Comment what you'd like to see next or what you think I should do for my birthday look. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.